A quadratic function y equals fx attains its minimum value y equals 22 over 3 at x equals 4 over 3 and y equals 10 when x equals 2. Find an expression for y in terms of x. Now let's break this question into a few parts based on the clues that they give us. Okay, so this is the first clue. The minimum value of this function is 22 over 3 and it happens when x equals to 4 over 3. Now what this means is the minimum point is 4 over 3, 22 over 3. Alright, that is what is given to us. Now you learn in chapter 1 and 2 that if I were to give you this completed square form, you will be able to tell me either the maximum or minimum point. Alright, so how do we do that? First of all, we look at the coefficient of x squared. In this case, it is positive, so it's a happy face. And what is the minimum point of this function? Very simple, you cover the completed square. That will give you y equals to 4. That means the minimum value of this function is 4. And when will this happen? When will it reach its minimum value? It happens when, just now I covered this up, right? In order to get the 4, it happens when x minus 2 equals 0. So it happens when x equals to 2. Right? Okay, now I hope you remember this. Okay, now I want to tell you that this is true for any number that is positive here. So it's true for 1. If I put a 1 here, it's true. It's true also for 2. It's true also for 3. It's true also for 4. It's true for any number, any positive number that I put here. It can be this, it can be this, it can be this, it can be this, it can be whatever number. Right? So in this particular question, this first part here, okay, allows us to write down only this part here, the perfect square, and this is the maximum, right? So it's 22 over 3. It should be your x is equals to this, right? So to make this become 0, you minus 4 over 3 both sides. So this will give you this. Okay, and you cannot assume that it's a 1 here. Alright, why you cannot assume there's 1 here? Because there's this other clue here to tell you that it's not. Alright, so you have to let y equals to a certain number which we call a times this whole thing which you have obtained from this first clue. Okay, so I call this clue 1 and this one is clue 2. So now I'm going to use clue number 2. Substitute y equals 10 and x equals 2 into this equation. You sub this here, and you'll be able to find the unknown a, okay, which is 6. So this will be your answer. Alright.